Force is something that changes the motion of an object. Pulling and pushing are examples of these forces. Pulling is when you force to move an object towards you. The more force you use, the faster the object moves. It is more difficult to pull an object that is still. It is easier to pull an object when it is already moving towards you. This little girl is pulling her school stuff to a friend's house. She puts them in her wagon and starts to pull it on the sidewalk. Jerry is pulling Susie on his sled, headed towards a snowy hill. Pushing is also a force that changes the motion of an object. Pushing is when you use force to move an object away from you. The more force you use, the faster the object moves. Heavier objects need more force to move. These two friends are sledding down a hill. They take turns pushing each other. Each one tries to see who can go the fastest, and sometimes it can be a little scary. Joe is moving to a new house. He needs help getting boxes ready for the moving truck. There are many boxes that need to be pushed from one side of the garage to the other. I hope he has some strong friends who will come to help him. It doesn't take much force to get a ball moving. The surface that the ball is on may affect how much force is needed to roll the ball. The surface may be rough, like wood chips or grass, or it may be smooth, like the blacktop on a playground. The surface may be flat, or it may be hilly or angled. The surface and the amount of force used on the ball will affect whether the ball moves quickly or slowly. In soccer, many forces act on a ball. These forces cause the ball to speed up and change direction. They cause them to roll along a surface and stop. Before kicking the ball, players need to know which direction they want it to go. They also need to know how fast they want it to go. When building a snowman in your backyard, you have to find the best place to build it. Otherwise, if you build it on a hill, it could end up being a disaster.